This is Deepak from TechPax Research and Innovation Services. Today I'm here to present you one of the emerging topic for the MTech or the PhD research work, that is image steganography. Might be you people have heard about this, that it is a image processing topic, and some of you are thinking that it is already done by a number of people, that what exactly the new in it. So what we have done, let's firstly have a look at what exactly we are doing. In this we have implemented encoding scheme to reduce the data size of the information that is to be hide. Later on, by using the LSB technique, we have performed the steganography on the colored images. For example, I'm going to show it on the system. When I'm going to run this code, this is the encoding section, which I'm going to select an image from anywhere from your PC. For example, I am selecting this first one.jpg and going to open it. What it will do, it will process the image as we have done it for the HSI color image space. So that is, these things are basically the advancements. So as you can see on the screen, it is asking for the message that you want to hide in it. For example, I am writing it at hi, I am Deepak and want to work for research work. So for example, this is my message that I want to hide, and when I press enter, it will process the data, encode it and provide the encrypted images. This is the stegno image. Even it is in the colored image, not on the grayscale, because most of the work is done for the grayscale images, but we have done it for the colored images. You can see the variation are very less visible in this image. The factors are being calculated by calculating the PSNR, bit error rate, mean square error, and number of other factors. So encoding provides the security to the data. So this is basically providing the security to the data, along with that hiding it in the in any of the media for performing the cryptography or the image steganography. Now we also perform the decoding, because most of the people that those are going to work, they are not developing the decoding section, but we have done that also, in which the inverse of it will be done from the saved image. We have saved the image by the name. You can see it's stego image underscore text dot bmp image, right? So when I'm going to run for the decoder, I need to select that image that will extract the data. For your clarification, what I'm doing, I'm clearing all the variables created in the workspace, so that we can easily decode the data from the image without having any confusion that might be it will be saved somewhere or something like that. So when I run on the decoding section, I have to select the image stego underscore image txt underscore bit.bmp. When I am opening it, it will process it, it will convert it to the format and decode it with the technique, that is the Huffman encoding scheme, and the extracted information is hi, I am Deepak and want to work for the research work. See, this is how this decoding works. Encoding schemes are basically converting the data in some specific codes to provide the security to the data. Encryption and encoding scheme, those things are different. Encryption techniques are basically encrypt the data on the basis of the keys, public key, private key, but encoding scheme is converting it to some specific codes, right? So later on, LSB technique is implemented with some advancement by using the HSI algorithm. So this is how this particular approach is working. Even the more modifications are possible. We have done it for different type of text from the files, even from the different count of the text, so that we can perform that how much capacity is there of an image to save the data in itself with maintaining the PSNR. So such kind of experiments are being performed on this. So I hope you people like this video. For more information, you can visit us at www.techpax.com. Thanks for watching the video.